I decided to just skip the unboxing because there's pretty much nothing there. Comes in this little package right here, and there it says that this has an 88-pound capacity or max capacity. You know, it shouldn't be a problem because most airlines have I guess around 50. And that's it right there. You got this handle, this little hook right there, the hooks on whatever you want to measure. And the back here, pop this open, and there, that's the battery right there. It's a small battery, CR2032. And I had some time to look through the instructions, and it's very straightforward. When you first turn on this unit, I mean, everything's done right here with this little button right there. When you turn it on, there's a default, but it says if you want to switch these measurements, let's just turn it off. You turn it on, and when all the numbers come on, you press this button and kind of switch. So let's try that. All right, let's see, it switches. So we're going to leave this one at pounds for this little demonstration. All right, so let's put this aside. And I guess you could wear this, put this on the top or on the side, but I'm going to put this one on the side. And so there. And put this latch through this and put it there, and it's at 0. Now let's lift. All right, so when you gotta lift it for a few seconds, and then there's a delay, then a pause, a little beep, and that's pretty much your weight, 24.8. I'm going to try this one more time, just to be accurate. If you want to reset it, you press that power button, then you start again. No, it's telling me 25.2. But that could just be an error on my end. I'm going to try this one more time. So 25. And I've done this before, and it's giving me the same results, but you know, when you're shooting videos and all that, that's the time when things kind of choose to go different. But yes, that's it. I think it's neat. I got this for around $11, or a little bit under $11 at Walmart, but there are much similar ones you can get maybe on Amazon or different places, and you know, it's a lot better than guessing. With that said, until next time, and thanks for your support. Bye.